are now being connected to your conference.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm all good. Okay, so would you like to write your problem here that you need help with?
Sure, absolutely. So the question is to find, or the integrand is x under root 3x plus 2
Okay.
dx.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, that's basically about it.
Okay.
So yeah, please go on.
Mm-hmm.
Go on.
Yeah, I was about to ask, so have you tried any work on it?
Yeah, I have, but I'm just sort of confused about why we do the process. For instance, in this case, we would use U substitution, I believe. And the U would equal 3x plus 2, right?
Okay.
And we would take the derivative of both sides. For instance, du over dx equals d over dx and this would be equals 3. And and the thing is that usually what happens after this stage is people usually multiply dx on both the left hand and the right hand side. But the problem is this is notation, right? So why are we performing algebra with notation? This sign here is also notation, but we don't perform algebra with this sign. So why are we performing algebra with this sign here, with this notation?
Please see, this means integral, this dx means that you are integrating with respect to x. So when you are changing to some other variable u, now you're using u here. So instead of dx, you have to get du. So what are you going to substitute in dx place? How will you find that?
I suppose I would solve for I would have to express du in terms of dx.
Yes, so that is the reason why we have derivated here, so that we can solve for dx from this equation, so that we can find what we should plug here in dx place.
Okay. So I guess this
okay, but have you tried? Is substitution going to work here?
Yes, because the problem statement tells me to substitute using U substitution.
Okay, then let's continue with that only.
Sure. Okay. Sure. So du will equal 3dx. And or actually let me multiply by or divide by 3.
Yes, very good.
So we can rewrite the integral as being
Yes, very good. So what to do next now?
That's actually my question, because x is not a constant, so I cannot take it out.
Yes.
X is a function of u.
Everything has to be in terms of u only, then only we can integrate it with respect to u. So okay. How can you write this x also in terms of u now?
So when we wanted to write when we wanted to write dx in terms of du, we solved for dx.
Yeah.
So I guess we have to do something similar.
Mm-hmm. So from which equation can you solve for x now?
Maybe this one.
Yes, very good. So from here you can solve for x and get x in terms of u.
Okay. So if u is equal to 3x plus 2, I could subtract 2 from both sides.
Mm-hmm. Yes, very good. Yes, well done. So, yes, very good. So what to do next now?
Maybe put x here.
Yes, let's substitute that. So would you try that?
Sure.
Yes, very good. So would you try next step now?
1 second.
Yeah.
You know, I'm thinking to have this expressed as 1 over 3 u minus 2.
Yes, very good. We can do that.
So I'll have 1 over 3 here. Then, well, actually, I can have here. I can have 1 over 3 u minus 2, and then
Yes, very good. Yeah, great. Perfect.
okay. And I guess what we can do from this point is rewrite this as
You can simplify it first. So any idea how to simplify these? How to multiply these?
do I have to?
Yeah, that 1 by 9 is fine. You can multiply the rest. This u minus 2 times u to the power half.
Okay. So 1 over 2 plus 1. So 1 over 2 plus 2 over 2 would be 3 over 2.
Yes, very good.
So minus 2u2, 2u, 1 over 2.
Yes, great. So would you try integrating now?
Okay. So this would be equivalent to saying that we would do 1 over 9 multiplied by
Yes, very good.
Is that fine? So 3 over 2 plus 2 over 2 will equal 5 over 2. So
yes, great.
we'll have 2/5 multiplied by u 5 over 2 minus 2 multiplied by is that fine?
Yes, perfect. Very well done.
So 1 over 2 plus 2 over 2 is 3 over 2. And then, okay. So here we'd have 1 over 9.
Yes, very good.
Is that fine?
Uh, okay, you have simplified inner part first. Okay. Is there any limits? It's just indefinite integral, right? There is no limits, right?
No boundaries, ma'am.
Okay. So you can write separate terms also, or do they want you to write the single fraction only? Otherwise, I mean, this is also correct.
I mean, these are two, they're both solutions. No further.
Yes, I mean, you can multiply this 1 over 9 also. I was saying you can write it as a separate term, but it's okay. You can multiply this also. Yes. So you can multiply this 15 times 9. What will be 15 times 9?
15 times 9, 135 maybe?
Yes, 135. Very good.
Okay, 1 second here. So the answer,
Yeah, what do we need to do next now after this?
next, okay. 1 second. I'm not too sure, actually. I think that's it, maybe.
So,
I can check the answer real quick.
yeah, I was just checking if the work here is correct. Check.
Yeah, I think it's fine.
Yeah, okay. So now you can just plug back the U
Sure.
value, and rest everything is correct. Yeah, super. So okay, yes, you can plug it.
Should we factor 3x plus 2?
Yes, we will write 3x plus 2. Yeah, great.
Okay, is that it?
Yes, awesome.
Okay.
That's right.
Okay, well, I think that's it. That's all the questions I had.
Okay. Okay, great. So you have done a very good job. Do you have any doubts on what we covered today?
No, actually, the only doubt was about why we solve for du or dx rather, but
Okay,
I think I
the
understand.
DX.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Okay, thanks for using the service. Have a good night.
You too.
Bye-bye. Take
Bye.
care.